Ingoreza Ma TV amu enang ena.
In the power structure outlined in the Kenya Kwanza Coalition Agreement, the presidential flag bearer position is reserved for United Democratic Party UDA, headed by Deputy President William Ruto. The running mate slot is also preserved for UDA and specifically for the Mount Kenya region. Save for the names of potential candidates, this geolocation hint is expected to end any further speculation on the Ruto running mate question. The Kenya Kwanza power deal allocates Amani National Congress ANC leader Musalia Mudavadi the prime cabinet secretary slot. If Ruto clinches the presidency in the August State House race, the National Assembly Speaker seat is reserved for Bungoma Senator Moses Wetangula and his Ford Kenya party. According to the Kenya Kwanza Coalition Agreement, the Senate Speaker slot is allocated to Pamoja African Alliance leader Kilifi Governor Amason Kingi, who defected to the Kenya Kwanza Alliance over the weekend. The coalition agreement provides for a cabinet of 21 ministers that will be shared out in line with the pact. In the Ruto power structure, Mudavadi and Wetangula will be allocated 30% of the appointive government positions should Kenya Kwanza win in the August polls. This includes the prime cabinet secretary and 6 cabinet secretary slots, National Assembly Speaker, and priority development projects in Western Kenya region. To secure these plum slots, Mudavadi and Wetangula are required to deliver at least 70% of the Western Kenya votes that will be cast in the August presidential race. The 5 counties of Kakamega, Bungoma, Vihiga, Busia and Trans Nzoia, which is administratively under Rift Valley region but politically part of the Western Kenya region, have a combined total of 2.5 million registered voters. Part of the priority development projects negotiated by Mudavadi and Wetangula in the coalition agreement includes completion of all incomplete or stalled bitumen roads, 1,000 kilometers of new bitumen roads, and resources to revive and modernize sugar factories such as Mumias and Nzoia. Such projects are however subject to consideration alongside other development priorities in other parts of the country. Kilifi Governor Amason Kingi, who ditched Azimio la Umoja One Kenya team for Ruto's Kenya Kwanza, has negotiated for the Senate Speaker slot in the coalition agreement signed on Sunday night. He also secured a political promissory note for his supporters' appointment to top management positions at the Kenya Ports Authority, KPA. The agreement schedule, however, requires Kingi and his Pamoja African Alliance PA to secure for Ruto at least 50% of the presidential votes cast in Kilifi County in the August State House race. Kilifi County has 582,631 registered voters. In the agreement, Kingi's party will also be supported by the coalition in the race for Malindi, Magarini, Ganze, Rabai and Kaloleni parliamentary seats. Mutua's Maendeleo Chapchap negotiated for 1 cabinet secretary slot in a ministry relevant to infrastructure or public utilities such as energy or water in the Kenya Kwanza government if Ruto wins in the August presidential race. If Mutua misses the ministerial flag, he will settle for a fallback plan of being nominated to either the National Assembly or Senate, where he will become the majority or minority leader in either of the houses. He must, however, garner for Ruto at least 35% of the presidential votes cast in 3 counties of Ukambani, Machakos, Kitui and Makueni that have a combined voter population of 1.7 million people. It is an area considered a stronghold of Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka, who is jostling for the running mate slot in the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party.
Ingoreza Ma TV amu enang ena.